So I never knew anything about trading. And literally after one day, I passed my evaluation. Literally after one day, it was crazy.
Hey, Coby, thanks for joining the call. Just wanted to touch base with you. I know you had just joined 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to just ask some initial questions to get a feel for how your experience has been so far.
No, experience has been good, man. I did the strategy. I won't say which one, but I did the strategy. And literally after one day, I passed my evaluation. Literally after one day, it was crazy with the strategy and with the bot. So now I'm about to just get the funded account, and from there we're gonna start getting these payouts, man. Easy.
Wonderful. So let me ask you, what motivated you to join this program to begin with?
I just wanted to make my money, and I felt like the trading bot. I felt like how it was positioned and presented. It was like a very just, I wouldn't say easy, but it was simple, right? And it was something that I could do on top of what I was already doing, which made it very attractive to me.
Absolutely. That's exactly the benefits of it for sure. What would you say were some of your biggest challenges with trading before you signed up with us?
So I never knew anything about trading.
Wow.
Literally. So being in it helped me understand trading. And then I think that was another reason that I like this, was because I didn't need any prior experience or knowledge about trading to do it and to make money, which was like, damn, I don't need to learn a new skill. I could just come in because and then everything was laid out step by step. You had laid everything out, so I didn't need to figure anything out. You had already figured everything out. So then it was just like, do this strategy, run this strategy, watch this video. The video is going to teach you everything you need to know, and then run this strategy to pass the evaluation. And it's like, I didn't have to do anything. I just did what you said, and I didn't have to learn anything new, which is why I was attracted to it.
Wonderful. So I guess that leads to my next question. How clear would you say the onboarding instructions and the whole setup was?
I would say it was good. Are you 1 through 10?
Sure.
I would say 8. It was a cool
Okay.
8. It was good.
That's pretty good. What was your first impressions with joining, with the materials that we provided, with the strategies and everything?
I would say it was simple. It was simple in the sense of like, I didn't understand trading. So I was just learning it as I went, I'm saying, but it was simple in the fact that it was like step by step. So I didn't really have to learn anything. I just had to follow directions.
Absolutely. As long as you can follow directions here, you can be pretty successful. So have you had any small wins already? What kind of wins have you experienced so far?
Passed the evaluation first day. Yeah, now I'm about to get my account funded.
Wonderful. Pretty impressive for a first day pass. So what would you say to somebody who's still on the fence or hesitant about joining a program like ours?
I would say that the hesitancy is fair, right? It's normal to be hesitant. The thing about it is that hesitancy, you got to just ask yourself, does that serve you to get to the next step in your life that you want to be in? Because at the end of the day, the results that you have is based on the decisions that you've made. If you want different results, you have to make different decisions. So that's what I would say.
Absolutely. So last question for us. If you could give a recommendation or suggestion to anybody watching this video, what would you tell them?
It would come down to just doing things that make you scared, right? Taking the risks, right? Joining a program, right? Getting around people who've already done it. Because at the end of the day, the one thing that we don't have in this life is time, right? Money, you always get money back, but time, you will never get it back. And worst thing that can happen is what? You're still in the same position. But the best thing that can happen is you change your life, your family's life. You learn something that can put you and the people around you in a much better position. So I would say take the risk.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for sharing today, Coby.
No problem, bro.